If you have ever downloaded a budgeting spreadsheet, opened it once, and never touched it again, you are not lazy. Spreadsheets are the wrong tool for beginners. Today I'm showing you how to budget with 0 spreadsheets and 0 formulas. Here's the problem nobody tells you. A spreadsheet only works if you sit down and manually update it every single day. Most beginners quit by day 3, not because the plan was wrong, but because the tool demanded more maintenance than real life allows. I am going to walk you through the exact method: 3 simple buckets, 3 bank accounts, and a 10-minute weekly check-in that replaces the spreadsheet completely. No formulas, no columns. Let's get into it. There are 3 reasons spreadsheets fail beginners. Reason 1, they require constant manual entry. Every purchase has to be typed in and categorized. Miss 2 days, and you can't remember what you spent, so the whole thing falls apart. Reason 2, spreadsheets show you the past, not the present. You don't find out you overspent on groceries until you sit down at the end of the week and add it all up. By then, the money is already gone. There's no real-time warning. Reason 3, 1 skipped week compounds into 3, and 3 becomes never opening the file again. Perfectionism is the trap. If a system needs perfect daily discipline to work, it isn't built for beginners. It's built for accountants. The method I use instead runs on autopilot. It relies on your bank doing the tracking for you, not your memory, not a formula, not a habit you have to maintain every day. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Forget line items. Forget 15 different categories. You only need 3 buckets: needs, savings, and wants. Every dollar you earn falls into one of these 3 and nothing else. Needs covers rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, minimum debt payments, the bills that exist no matter what. A simple starting target is 50% of your take-home income, but on a tighter budget, it can run higher. That's okay. Savings comes next, even if it's 5% to start. This bucket includes your emergency fund and any future goals. The amount matters less than the habit of paying it first, before a single dollar reaches your wants bucket. Wants is everything left over: eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, anything optional. This is the bucket you are allowed to enjoy completely guilt-free, because the 2 buckets that actually matter are already covered. 3 buckets. No decimal points. No 15 tabs. You can literally do this math in your head in under 2 minutes, which is exactly why it survives contact with real life instead of collecting dust in a spreadsheet folder. Step 2 is what makes this automatic. Open 3 free bank accounts: 1 for needs, 1 for savings, 1 for wants. Most online banks let you do this in 10 minutes with 0 fees. On payday, split your income across the 3 accounts using your bucket percentages. 1 transfer, 30 seconds. Done. Your bank statement is now your tracking system. You never touch a spreadsheet again. Here's why this works better than any spreadsheet. You cannot overspend a category you cannot physically access. When your wants account hits 0, your card simply declines. The system enforces itself instead of relying on your willpower. Most banks even show you the running balance right on the home screen. No app to open, no formula to check. You glance at your phone for 3 seconds, and you already know exactly where you stand. Step 3 replaces the daily spreadsheet habit with a single 10-minute check-in once a week. Pick one day, Sunday works well, and just glance at your 3 account balances. That's the entire routine. During that check-in, ask yourself 1 question per account. Am I on pace? If wants is running low mid-week, you already know to ease off before Friday. No spreadsheet update required. Just a quick look and a decision. This 10-minute habit is sustainable in a way spreadsheets never are, because it asks almost nothing of you. 10 minutes a week beats 20 minutes a day that never actually happens. Consistency beats complexity every single time. What about expenses that change every month? Groceries, gas, an occasional gift. You don't need a formula for this. Just build a small buffer, an extra 5 to 10%, into your needs account so normal fluctuation never breaks the system. For bigger irregular costs, car repairs, holidays, annual fees, open a fourth account labeled Sinking Fund and drop a small fixed amount into it every payday. When the bill shows up, the money is already sitting there waiting. No spreadsheet formula could have predicted the exact month your car needed new brakes, but a buffer and a sinking fund handle it without you doing any math at all, because the plan for the unexpected already exists. 2 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Opening 5 or 6 accounts instead of 3. More accounts means more decisions, and more decisions is exactly what this method is designed to eliminate. Keep it to 3 plus 1 sinking fund, maximum. Mistake 2. Checking your balance every single day out of anxiety. That defeats the entire point of this system. Trust the split, trust the accounts, and give yourself permission to only look once a week during your check-in. Quick recap. 3 buckets: needs, savings, wants. 3 accounts that split automatically on payday. A 10-minute weekly check-in instead of daily tracking. And a small buffer plus sinking fund for the irregular months. No spreadsheet required, ever. Your action step tonight. Open your first free account and label it Savings. That single step takes about 10 minutes and starts the entire system without you needing anything else figured out yet. Start there. Everything else follows. If this video helped you, hit subscribe right now. Every week I drop new videos breaking down exactly how money works for everyday people. No fluff, no gatekeeping. Just real strategies that work on any income. I will see you in the next one.